Are you looking for an all-in-one place for your cryptocurrency? Does the thought of an analog device storing all of your digital assets intrigue you? Well, if so, then this is the episode for you. My name is Daniel J. Glenn, also known as the Crypto Keeper, and today we're going to discuss the Descent Digital Wallet. But before we do, I have to tell you, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial purpose. It's the only way to ensure your future. So let's talk about it, the Descent Digital Wallet. Here it is. So again, the thing that's interesting to me is this is an analog solution to your digital assets, meaning this is a piece of hardware, something you are actually going to use. It's biometric. It means you're going to stick your finger on it and it's going to access all of the cryptocurrency that you own. Now, let me pop over back to camera one. This is interesting because if you enjoy cryptocurrency, then there's a little bit of cyberpunk in you. You're either in one of two camps. You do not like biometrics because you don't want any piece of your biology to be stored in the cloud, or you're on the other end where you wish this was implanted in your head immediately. So if you're in that second camp, this is kind of a nice in-between between those two things where you're using your fingerprint and it has incredible security and you're able to live that cool cyberpunk world. So let's go back here. What are the attributes here? Well, security, convenience, all with a fingerprint. So this isn't scanning your eye. We're not into retina scans yet. It's just your fingerprint, but it is incredible security. Secure transactions approved with your unique fingerprint, 4,600 cryptocurrencies in one place, digital vault just in 5 minutes. And as you can see here with this picture, it's very small. Instant transaction, which is also very important. Now, we've all seen the movies where someone cuts off your hand and then all of a sudden they have access to all of your cryptocurrency. So outside of that outlier, let's hope that never happens to any of us. This is very secure. This is a way to keep all of your cryptocurrency in one place, and it's your finger. You carry your finger with you everywhere you go. Forget remembering passwords, right? You don't have to remember your fingerprint. No one's going to ask you to draw it, which is good news. So, it's not going to get stolen. Even if it gets stolen, no one can access it. So this is a really interesting way to go here. So let's talk about this security technology, because this is really where the Descent Biometric Wallet shines. Safeguard your cryptocurrency with 4 unique technologies. Number 1, certified security chip. So encrypt private keys, store them offline, safe from online hacking. We're so into an extremely digital world. I mean, I remember when I was, when I was doing films and things like that, getting off of magnetic physical media was the way to go. Everything digital. But ironically, analog is the way to keep things incredibly safe. No one can come in and hack a device you have in your pocket, right? I mean, that's kind of the cool thing here. So, these security chips, if you are sending things, if you're doing an encrypt send, this will keep them safe. You can keep all the stuff offline where, no one can hack into it. Offline key generation. Generate your private keys directly within the hardware and prevent exposure of your private keys to external software and devices. In this digital age, it's the software tools that are really what hackers are using. So this protects you from all of that. Bluetooth connection. Ensure external parties cannot access your data. And automated verification of genuine software. It checks every time the device is powered on, making sure that the software that's in this piece of equipment is not getting tampered with. I mean, this is really a key piece of this whole world. The other thing, 4,600 tokens supported. Now let me pop over here. This is kind of interesting because I want to see. I went to the page where it gives you the full list. So obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, all of these, this is the first page, but you can see at the bottom here, this is one of 10 pages. So tons of cryptocurrency. It's got 4,838 cryptocurrencies that it can use. So, this is, they have them all. So even the ones that are coming on the market, they're going to keep adding to this list. Don't forget. So what we got here? Simplicity. That's the other thing, is when you have one of these devices, how hard is it to use with so much security? Is it tricky? This one isn't really. Set up in 5 minutes, instant address generation, a nice display so you can see what you're typing in. 4-button operation. This isn't like a game controller. I mean, it's only got 4 buttons, right? Can generate 80 wallets, put your different assets in different wallets. You can put all of that right here. And, just, if you lose your original wallet, I don't exactly know how that would happen, but you can store your assets on a new wallet. I'd have to think about what scenario that would help out in, but it's there should you need it. So people smarter than me have come up with this. You can also have an app, so you can see what's on there with the app. Now, I'm guessing you can't actually do transfers in the app. That would kind of defeat the purpose, but this is a way to see where everything is. You can manage everything and then approve it with the wallet, right? So you can have an app that kind of lets you have a more, if you're using your phone and everything, you can kind of make all your transactions. And then the hardware, the Descent wallet, you're able to approve everything with your thumbprint. This is just like Back to the Future 2, right? You're thumbing away money. Maybe that's what they were doing. Maybe Marty McFly was investigating the Descent wallet everywhere when he was trying to get that Pepsi Perfect. So let us go over to one other thing here, which I think is important, is the types, right? So they have the wallet here, which is the device. You can see here it's about the size of an iPod, if anyone remembers those. It's got a similar features, got the little circle wheel and everything like that. So this is the crypto in a single touch. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. These are the security features that I was mentioning before, but they also have an all-in-one crypto that is the size of a credit card. This is also kind of interesting. This has security, convenience. It's all the same thing, except it's much smaller, the size of a credit card. So that's pretty interesting. It doesn't have all of the bells and whistles of the other one, obviously, but it's very interesting. And this is coming out Black Friday. Of course, they have a Black Friday deal. I'd be remiss to mention. Now, I'm not suggesting it. If this is for you, if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, well, no better time to take the plunge than when it's on sale, right? 40% off Black Friday, November 20th to December 3rd. So you can see, this is the website. It is, let me give you the exact website. It is this DCENTwallet.com. Is the place to go. That's where you can find it. So this is one of those things that kind of marries analog and digital, which seems like it wouldn't make sense, but it's actually the best way to secure your cryptocurrency. So I find this product very intriguing. And if you do, or if you don't, let's talk about it in the comment section. That's where you want to leave any note, any comment you want to mention, anything you think about this particular device or this video. That's where to do it. And subscribe, share this video. Let's build a community here. Let's get the word out. So if it seems like this is the place, Descent Wallet might be a game changer. It's definitely intriguing to me. So thank you for listening. Thank you for considering. And always, thank you for watching.